Ever wondered how coastal villages can quickly access to cyclone shelters during emergency using GIS platforms? Head over to story.mapog.com. Click Create New Story. Give your story a title and add a short description. From the GIS data library, start by selecting your country, state district. Add these key layers, like subdistricts level 3, roads and land use, and select style layer to customize its appearance. Now, go to Add Story, create new location type, give it a proper title, description, and image. Switch to Line to draw the coastal boundary manually. Right-click and select the Add Cyclone/buffer. Select buffer, name it as High Risk Zone of radius 5 kilometers. Next, go to Add Story, create a new point type called Cyclone Shelters. Give it an icon and add all attributes, name like capacity, elevation, access, road, toilets, water, power backup, and attribute type as text, and save it. Add the title and images. For each point, enter these attributes as shown. Fill all the information here. Go to Toolbox, enter coordinates, and save it. Right-click, select Style Layer 2. Customize the shelter icons using point customization. Once your map is complete, hit Publish and Share. You can export a live map link or embed it. This method links spatial data with real-world disaster preparedness, making GIS meaningful and actionable. So, ready to map smarter for cyclone resilience? Need help? Contact support at mapog.com. Like, subscribe, and share for more creative GIS storytelling ideas.